What's going on, YouTube? Can you hear it? Who'll stop the rain? Well, there goes my day of writing. Oh well. It's the way it goes. Hope everybody else's Sunday is going a little bit better than mine. It's wet. It's rainy. And normally I would suit up and ride in the rain because most of my gear is, well, pretty much all my gear is weatherproof or rainproof or waterproof or whatever you want to call it. And whatever isn't, I can waterproof because I have some really good stuff for that. I'm going to have to show that to you sometime. But with the new tires on there, nah. They need at least 100 miles of break-in time, and I ain't got that on there yet. So, just out in the shop. I love the rain. Don't get me wrong. You know, I love the sound of it on a tin roof. That's some good sleeping right there. That's, oh man, you can sleep forever with that. But not when I gotta go to work in it. Well, I don't actually work in the rain, but I kind of sort of do work in the rain. If that makes any sense. You know, folks don't know how to drive when it's dry. Throw a little moisture into the mix, they sure can't drive. So, what I'm gonna have to do, get over here. Move some stuff around. Whoop! Drop some stuff on the ground. What's that? Oh, okay. I got my tech gear. I'm gonna take that to work with me today. What I dropped was new nose piece for the 28-inch bar. Go from a 404 to a 3/8. Yeah, that'll keep me dry. At least it'll keep my top of me dry. Got the new drill press set up. Did a couple things with it, a couple practice passes to get it dialed in. I still got some work to do on that, and still got some work to do on the new Krig fence for the bandsaw. But other than that, it's working pretty good. I need to get new bearings for the bandsaw. I saw some sparks coming off when I was cutting, just doing simple test cuts the other day. So it's always something. Can you hear me? Any better? I'm just closer to my coffee now. Oh, listen to that thunder. I bet my dog is freaking out, trying to find a place to get under. She usually goes into my office or into my bedroom. Doors are closed on both, so she can't get in. It's Sunday. So you know what that means. Sunday morning shout out. I'm up to 23 now. 37 South. I've been checking out your videos. I sub to your channel. If you guys haven't, if the other guys haven't found him yet, check him out. He's into doing some prepping. I'm not a big prepper. But I do believe in being prepared for situations. That's the Boy Scout motto. Be prepared. So, speaking of Boy Scouts, still got a ways to go on this, but I was working on this yesterday. Still got a long way to go. I don't know if you can see the line. There's a line that I drew for comparison, just to start getting it down. This wood is a booger to work with, but I think it'll look pretty good. A plum head on a purple handle. The plan is, I've got that other wood over there. What I want to do is I want to make a series of these. So I want to do a purple heartwood on a hatchet, obviously, on a boy's axe, on a cruiser, camp double bit, on a full-size double bit, and if I've got enough wood, on a full-size single. All of the heads are going to be plumb. So I think that would be pretty cool. Have purple handles on a whole bunch of plumb axes. It'll be different, that's for sure. I haven't seen anybody else do it. So that is the plan. Whether the plan comes together or not, remains to be seen. So, but 37 South, welcome. Appreciate you subbing in. He subbed in from Big Killa 77, I believe, or else he just saw the TSHF video. I think that's what it was. But yeah, welcome. And Cord Oliver, a new subscriber, just subscribed a couple of days ago. Welcome. I appreciate each and every one. I don't have an awful lot of subscribers. I didn't start this to gather subscribers, so I'm not going out and scrambling around trying to get people to come up and subscribe to my channel. But when they do, I really appreciate it. And I really appreciate it when y'all comment, because it makes more of a community where, I don't know how to put it. I probably do know how to put it, but I'm not awake. I haven't had enough coffee yet. Still working on that. I need to get me a coffee pot out in the shop. Or a coffee IV. So, yeah, 37 South, Cord Oliver, welcome. I appreciate each and every one of you. Big Killer 77. That was a good looking fish you had there, buddy. I hadn't been fishing in so long. I hadn't done anything in so long. I haven't gone hunting. I haven't got any place to hunt anymore. So most all of the land that I used to hunt on has been the new generation of owners have come up and they've just closed everything off. So there's that. So I need to do some fishing. My son loves to fish, my youngest boy. Hopefully this summer we'll be able to get out and do some fishing and do some camping and be able to do some videos on that. A lot of motorcycle riding, that's for sure. Yeah, but that was a good looking fish. Tripper. That was the hatchet. That's a good looking hatchet. I've considered buying one of those, but they're a lot more than $10 in the hardware store. Ace Hardware has them here. They carry the Collins. Carry the Collins axes. Collins are still made, but unfortunately the heads are made in China. From what I understand. Don't hold me to that. They're still good looking axes and hatchets. I just prefer the old stuff. And as far as those flip the heads upside down, did you try that to get them on the handle? And let me know. And I almost bought an 8/8 stick of 8/4 stick of hickory. There we go. Get the brain to work. Come on. Almost bought a 8/4 stick of hickory the other day to make some handles, but I didn't. But I know where it's at. They've got, the last time I was there, they didn't have any. All they had was like 4/4. So, and that's the thickness. Okay, so give me the measurements, how long a handle you want, and how wide it is at the eye. I might make you a handle. Just let me know. All right. As far as hatchets are concerned, I've got a few hatchets, but I might be talked out of one. That's going to take a lot of talking, buddy. Problem is, I know you can talk. Let's see. I got a nice little Collins, needs some cleaning up. I got a couple of those, so I might be willing to let one go. Can't have my Norland. And there's another plum. Let me know if he wants something a little bit older, a little bit more beaten up. I might work something out. Travis, Good Day Farm. What's going on, brother? I'm looking forward to seeing your video today. Trying to figure out how we're going to do the dog waterer. What you had is a chicken waterer. Listen to that. Oh. Gets the fur up. Yeah, our dogs are pretty big. They'd probably knock it over, so I'm trying to figure out how I can fasten it in there. There should be a way to do it. In fact, I just got an idea in my head. So, but yeah, I love the rain. But to all the new subscribers, I appreciate you being here. To all the older subscribers, been here for a long time. John Anglin, Saw Surgeon, the Swede. John Anglin is the Swede. Saw Surgeon. There are a couple more of you. I'm just drawing a complete blank. And there's a bunch of you that have subscribed but have your privacy setting set where I can't see you. So welcome. Comment. Cord Oliver, he told me he's from Missouri. Technically speaking, not too far away from me. So I'm just rambling now, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it off here. If you're just checking out the videos or whatever, and you haven't yet, poke that subscribe button for me if you wouldn't mind. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. But always, please leave comments. Let me know what you think. I enjoy reading the comments and responding to them. So, I thought I saw something flashing back there. Okay? Everybody, enjoy your weekend. What's left of it. And I hope it's dry. Bye.